Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to drop items in the Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion. Whether you need to lighten your load or get rid of unnecessary items, this guide will walk you through the simple process of dropping items in the game. Step 1. Open your inventory. To drop an item, first, you'll need to open your inventory. Press the B key on your keyboard or circle button on PlayStation or A on Xbox to open the inventory screen. This will display all the items you're currently carrying. Step 2. Select the item to drop. Navigate through your inventory to find the item you want to drop. Use your mouse or controller to scroll through your list of items. Once you've found the item, highlight it. Step 3. Drop the item. Once the item is highlighted, follow these steps depending on your platform. On PC, after selecting the item, press Delete to drop it. On PlayStation, press Square to bring up the item action menu and select Drop. On Xbox, press X to bring up the item action menu and select Drop. Your character will then drop the item on the ground. Step 4. Confirm the drop. After you drop the item, it will appear on the ground where you're standing. You can pick it back up if needed, but once it's dropped, it's no longer in your inventory. Step 5. Manage items carefully. Be cautious when dropping items, as dropping too many valuable or rare items in certain places might result in them becoming lost or inaccessible. If you want to drop an item somewhere safe, try to do so in your house or a secure area. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides and tips on the Elder Scrolls 4, Oblivion, and other RPG games. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your adventure.